Hello beautiful people, welcome back to our YouTube channel App Guide. So today we are here to learn how to screen record on your Android mobile phone. So here's the thing, while giving you this tutorial itself, I am currently screen recording on my phone. So it is extremely simple to do it. You don't need to download any application from Google Store or software to do it. All you gotta do is scroll your phone from up so that you get this tab and get more of these icons, and here itself you can see screen recording option, like mine is here, and if you tap in here your screen recording is very likely to start. So if you might not have it here, just scroll it side, so it might be somewhere around here. So all you gotta do is tap in screen recording. Currently mine is screen recording, so you won't get any options, so your phone will start getting screen recorded. So at this time you might have an icon around here. There you can press on play, and if you want to stop screen recording, there is a red bleep here. You can just press here and your phone will stop screen recording. After that, video recorded will automatically go to your photos album. So here are all the screen recordings that I have done till now. So that is how we screen record in your Android mobile phone. Obviously there are more ways to do it, such as many even go to Play Store and type in screen recording, screen recorder. Here you may find many applications that will help, but we are not going to use this. We are going to use the inbuilt version in your Android mobile phone. The second way in which we can do it is, you might have this shortcut option on your corner of your phone, on your edge of the phone. You can just have a look. There is a white patch. For me it's in the lower left corner. This, as you can see, it is over here. Here itself you can see I have a screen recording option right at the top itself. If you might not have it here, go to edit and just add in screen recording. So some of you might not be having it, so you can just select one from here. You can just select add and your screen recording option will go right there. Press and done. That's it. And that is how you screen record on your Android mobile phone. If it was helpful in any way, please leave a like, subscribe if you want more of these content, and comment down below if you have any queries regarding it. Thank you so much for watching.